I'm creating my very own DIY planter boxes using some PVC slabs and wood that I found in my factory. I wanted to create planter boxes that are large and sturdy so that I can maximize the balcony space I have to grow some greens. I've cut out the parts into their right length to create my square foot planters. Now all I need to do is to piece them together. Now it's time to add in the pre-mixed soil. The bokashi compost that I've made a month ago is ready. You can tell it is ready by the appearance of the white mold. I'm going to mix it with potting soil and leave it for 2 weeks. This helps to prevent the soil from becoming too acidic. Some people have asked me if it stinks. I think the smell is pretty subjective. I honestly think it smells like mangoes, but to others it doesn't smell that pleasant. Well, at least the smell doesn't leak out of the bin or the soil.